Hi guys, this is Paradi. Welcome back to my channel, The Styling Stories. We are almost at the end of the year and it feels so good, and also I know it was one hell of a year, but let's end it on a good note. We have Christmas coming up and also the holiday season. So I wish you all the love and happiness and enjoy the season. And with that, I am back with another episode of Styling Stories where I'm going to show you how you can style one midi skirt in different ways. You know, I consider midi skirts as my wardrobe staple because I can wear it throughout the year no matter what season it is, which is where I love wearing it. And if you've noticed, I have been wearing midi skirts in my previous videos too. So let's see how we can style this midi skirt in different ways. And also to all my subscribers, I am reading your suggestions. I am reading all your comments. Thank you so much for always commenting and coming up with new suggestions. And this video is on a special request from one of my sweetest subscribers, and which is why I have created this video. So don't worry, I am reading all your ideas and I'll be coming up with all the videos very soon, one by one. So for now, let's enjoy the season and let's see how we can style this midi skirt in different ways. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Starting off with this shimmery top, which I absolutely love. This is perfect for this holiday season and I've paired this with this midi skirt and it's looking absolutely amazing. Perfect for this December vibe when we all like to get dressed up and party with friends and family members and love to enjoy this weather. So in this style, I've tried something very unique and different. I've tried to add an ethnic touch to it by wearing these beautiful jhumkas, which has these beautiful maroon beads that is going quite well with the whole outfit. And I wanted to try this look because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है like हमारे बहुत close की wedding नहीं होती, but we go and attend the wedding and eat all the good food out there. So उसके लिए look, I think it's perfect for that kind of a wedding look. And of course अभी winters है, December wedding are over, but अभी January end and Feb में कुछ weddings है, so you can carry this look perfectly well. So for the third one, I wanted to keep it monochrome, so I decided to wear my off-shoulder top with this midi skirt, which I decided to wear it on one shoulder, and I decided to tuck in my sweater inside because we cannot tuck in inside the skirt because it will make you look bulky. So this is one hack that you can tuck your sweater inside and not inside the skirt. So yeah, this is how the whole look turned out and I am absolutely loving it. I haven't added anything because पूरी outfit का look खराब हो जाएगा. I want कि इस outfit को पूरी attention मिले. So just I've added the boots and I've tied my hair and kept it minimal and monochrome. This will be the most loved style because of the white top that I've paired with this midi skirt that is going quite well and it is looking absolutely chic. And I've added my favorite pair of heels, which is going quite well with this whole look. Added this cute clip to completely change the vibe of the style. And yeah, that is it for the whole style. Ending this with this perfect winter look where I'm wearing this blazer, added my beautiful scarf, wearing my watch along with stockings and the perfect heels to complete the whole look. I think this is the perfect idea of dressing in winter where you get to flaunt your style and also enjoy the winter season. So yeah, this is how the whole look turned out. So that was it guys. I hope you have enjoyed all the styles that I have shown in this video. Also I have a suggestion, if you are in case planning to wear leggings because it's very cold outside and you cannot bear wearing stockings, instead you can go for these base layer pants that you can wear inside. These are quite warm and will keep you warm throughout the winter season. But if you can style it with your stockings, it will be the best because it looks quite good. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this, then don't forget to give me like, share and subscribe and also hit that notification bell icon. And I will see you very soon in the next videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Take care. Bye-bye.